Dear friends, welcome to weekly view on markets. This week was marked by big gains in broader markets. Mid cap index gained 3.56% and small cap index gained 4.05%. Nifty and Bank Nifty gained 0.74 and 0.82% respectively. Mid cap index is trading at all time high. Mid cap and small cap companies are posting very good quarterly four results. That is the reason we see a lot of buoyancy in mid cap and small cap stocks. We saw a lot of action in stocks based on good results. Charts look strong and indicate further upside in the markets. Development in US Iran talks and Hormuz channel will be a key driver for the markets in the coming week. Nifty closed at 24,176 with a gain of 178 points. Bank Nifty has closed at 55,310 with a gain of 447 points. Mid cap index has closed at record high of 61,910. It gained 2,126 points, 3.56%. Small cap index gained 729 points, that is 4.05%, and closed at 18,737. India VIX has closed at 16.84. It has dropped by around 8.78%. That means the fear in the market is receding. However, the geopolitical situation with respect to Hormuz Channel and US Iran war remains a key factor driving the markets. Most of the sectors closed in the green during this week. Auto sector gained the most, 5.18%. A lot of companies in the auto sector posted good results, and on the back of good results, there was a 5% rally in the auto sector. Defense sector gained 4.65%. Realty, pharma, healthcare, manufacturing sector all gained between 3 to 4%. Metals, NBFCs, media, private banks, commodities all gained between 1 to 2%. Remaining all stocks were in the positive with small gains. Oil and gas sector and PSU banks lost about 0.82% and 1.3%. They were the only two sectors which ended in the negative for the full week. Now let us look at technical charts. This is the daily chart of Nifty index. Here we can see Nifty index crossed the crucial resistance of 24,000 and it has closed above that. So 24,000 seems to be a good support level for Nifty index, and Nifty index is facing resistance at around 24,600 to 700 level. If Nifty index closes above 24,500 with good volumes, it will give a technical breakout and we will see higher levels in Nifty index. Till such time, Nifty index will trade in between 24,000 on the lower side and 24,500 on the higher side. This is the chart of Nifty mid cap index. Mid cap index, as we can see, is trading at lifetime high of 61,910. It has crossed the previous level of around 61,300. It has got support at around 59,400 in case if there is correction. Otherwise, we will see Nifty mid cap index gaining in the coming week also. This is the chart of Nifty Small Cap Index. Nifty Small Cap Index has crossed a crucial resistance at around 18,500 and it has closed at 18,737. So the momentum looks very strong and small cap index is likely to gain further in the coming week. It, in case of correction, it has got good support at around 17,000 levels. This is the support line for small cap index. This is the chart of Bank Nifty index. Bank Nifty index is trading in a range. On the lower side, it is at 54,750 and on the higher side, it is at 57,400. Bank Nifty index has to take out this resistance line, which is at around 57,600, and if it closes above that, then we'll have a positive view on Bank Nifty index. Now let us look at some of the macroeconomic fundamentals. Despite the war situation, Indian macroeconomic fundamentals remains quite good. Foreign exchange reserves of RBI is at 690.69 billion US dollars for this weekend. It is down by 7.79 billion US dollars compared to last week. Foreign exchange rate is at 94 rupees 47 paise per dollar. Rupee has weakened slightly in recent times and dollar index is at 97.84. In fact, rupee touched 95 and after that it has strengthened a bit. Brent crude price is at $100.49 per barrel. Higher crude price is a problem for Indian economy. Last week, due to blockade in Hormuz Channel, and there were some exchange of fires between US and Iran. Due to all these things, crude price hit almost 120, and after that it has corrected. It is at $100.49 per barrel. Gold is steady at around 1,52,589 for 10 grams 24 carat. FIIs continue to sell in Indian markets. They have sold 11,072 crores for the full week, and DIIs have bought 21,392 crores in equity during this week. DIIs are buying much more than FII selling. That is how the market is sustaining at higher levels. Manufacturing PMI index for March 26 has come at 53.9 and services PMI has come at 57.5. Compared to last year, they are slightly lower, but still economy is in the expansion mode. Tussle between US and Iran remains unresolved. Every day there is some different news coming in. Now they are not able to reach agreement on ceasefire. Hormuz Channel also continues to remain blocked, which is affecting crude movements, and different countries are facing shortage of petroleum products. Markets have come back to the levels before the Iran war. There is a good recovery in Indian markets. Now we are at the same levels when the war started. That means whatever correction was there due to Iran war, that has been fully recovered. Quarterly four results are coming good. That is a positive factor for the markets. Mutual fund investors should continue their SIPs. We will see higher levels in the markets. In the long run, mutual fund investors will get good returns. They should continue their SIPs. This is all for this week. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. You can refer to your friends. You can ask your questions, which I will reply. We will meet again next week. Thank you.